Yung may bulaklak lotus.
Yung water lily yan.
Yung water lily, itong mahaba. Walang dugtong. Iisang trunk lang siya, tapos kinarve out mo lang yung center. Wala siyang yung stabilizer sa gilid.
Kaya nga, oh.
So kung hindi ka marunong,
Kaya yung cutting.
wala siyang katig. So kung hindi ka marunong, out balance ka, sumasakay ka pa lang.
And we are here to present some of the Taboli musical instruments and the dances. So the first Taboli musical instrument we call kumbing or a bamboo dohar. Taboli play kumbing during the eclipse time to call the moonlight back. Alright, so that was the sound of kumbing. Yung yung instrument po namin from bamboo po yun. And the next Taboli musical instrument we call saloli or a bamboo flute. Taboli plays saloli to express loneliness, especially when you are from your loved ones, families, and friends.
No? Hindi mo akalain na sa gilid ng lake, nasa 50 meters na yung lalim niya. Tapos yung center ng lake, umaabot na siya ng 200 meters. Mamaya, maraming lawaan sa sides. Pakita natin. Makakasalubong din natin yung mga, yung mga olong, yung mga bangka na gawa sa single lawaan trunks. Maganda yung boat cruise ng Tibuli dito sa Punta Isla para ma-experience nyo yung very beautiful view of Lake Cebu tsaka yung Tibuli culture. Maganda yung music nila, maganda yung dances. Yung food, sarap.
So again, at ang pinakahuli, ang pinakamalapis na nahuli po ng Diyos sa Lake, tingnan na po. Are you enjoying?
Yes!
Yes!
Maraming salamat. Once again, kayo Lapos and magandang magkakasalamat.
Ang galing ni Arman. Yung kapirasong kawayan na yon, you can make sounds like that dun sa kapirasong kawayan. Ang tawag doon? Kumintang?
Kumbing.
Kumbing.
In another term, other I believe, kubing.
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 Available yan, ano? Available yan sa shop?
Souvenir shop.
Souvenir shop. Ito, ang tawag dito sa flower na to, Medinilla. Ito yung bulaklak niya. Tapos, ito yung bunga niya. Yung Medinilla, maganda kasi itong ornamental. Mas madalas, Europe propagates Medinilla more than the Philippines. believe it or not. So marami nito sa Singapore, sa Kew Gardens, and sa Europe, yung mga bahay nila, yung mga shops, they grow this more than the Philippines. It's a very beautiful flower and we should propagate more of this. Ganda niya, oh. Ganda, no? Ganda ng falls nila. Very scenic siya. Oh, of course. That's where it all started. Makikita mo po yung kulay ng tubig habang bumababa siya. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Seven Falls sa Lake Cebu. This is one of the tourist attractions in Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. It's a very beautiful falls, very breathtaking. One of the best tourist attractions. This place is very nice. Aside from Lake Cebu itself, ito pa yung mga magaganda nilang tourist destinations dito. Kukwento ko lang, nung nagpupunta ako before sa Singapore, sa Japan, sa Taiwan, sa Hong Kong, pag nakikita ko yung buildings nila, yung mga subways nila, alam niyo yung feeling ko? Yung feeling ko is inggit. Naiinggit ako para sa Pilipinas kasi ang advance nila, ang modern, they have the subways, hindi makalat yung mga kalsada. Sinasabi ko nun sa sarili ko, bakit walang ganito yung Pilipinas? Although, alam ko naman na darating din tayo sa ganong point. Pero ngayon, kakatapos lang natin ng river cruise na marirealize nyo pag nakita nyo yung videos ng river cruise natin sa Tibuli na maganda, mayaman talaga yung Philippines. Yung Lake Cebu, yung cultural presentation nila, yung music na ginawa nila sa Kumbing, it's amazing. Yung Philippines, we are rich. We just need to manage our resources well and we can build our country into a great Philippines. If you want to learn about agarwood trading, the proper legal, ethical, and compliant way to export agarwood, I advise you to attend our webinars. We do this every Thursday night, 7 p.m. Libre po ito. It's free information. It's the most important thing you need, information. We offer this to you. You can attend our webinars. You can reach out to us via email sa info@dendrotonics.com, sa messenger ng Dendrotonics, or you can reach out to me via messenger also. So that's Ephraim Cercado.